Replacing an old door slab with a new one requires laying out the Lockset so it will line up with the strike plate on the existing jamb. Here's how. With the door hung, mark the center line of the jamb strike plate, transfer the line to the door, and extend the line across the face and the edge. Next, use the template supplied with the Lockset and locate the line that represents the edge of the door. Fold on the line and align the template with the center mark on the door. Locksets are designed to accommodate both 2 3/8 and 2 3/4 inch back sets, which is the distance from the edge of the door to the center of the hole. 2 3/8 is a common back set for interior doors, so we mark ours at that center mark using an awl. This is the drill location for the handle. For the latch, find the location on the template that matches the door's thickness. Ours is 1 3/8 inches. So again, we mark it with an awl and the door is ready to be drilled.